Yes, people, big up on yourself. You don't know, New Link Production there. You don't know, so we're there live, people, and we are say, big up on yourself. You don't know the thing go. Yes, people, and it is confirmed. You understand? Today, you understand? Jamaica Most Wanted. Jamaica Most Wanted has been killed by the police. You understand? Dopey Flim. You don't know. Jamaica Most Wanted man who was on the run for over a year. Yeah. He was killed today in St. Thomas, people. You don't know the thing on New Link Production there. And we get the news them, we put them out. And you don't know, say, all Jamaican, we must feel a little relief right now for know, say, one of the most wanted man on the island. Yeah. Him gone, so less worries now for my Jamaican people, you understand? Less worries for my beautiful, loving Jamaican people, because when you know, so you get reader, one of the most wanted, you understand? We must feel a little relief, you understand? We must feel a little better, you don't know, because people, when you hear about the most wanted, now people, you have to think a lot, you know, because you don't know what to expect from them or what they're capable of doing. You understand? You don't know them say he was on the run for over a year, and today in St. Thomas he was nabbed by the police. You don't know, and them get to them out. Cause you don't know if him try to return a fire or nothing, but them get him out. You get what me as a people, and New Link Production I say we give thanks for that. You get me as a people, and don't know the thing going on. We just keep it real. Cause New Link Production is there to get the news and we let the people them know. Dopey Flim. He was killed this morning by the police. Jamaica Most Wanted. He's now gone. Big up on yourself, people. And we have to feel happy for that one day. New Link Production there. And to get the news and we let the people them know. We keep you up to date, people. Big up on yourself. New Link Production there. I'm out. Big up on yourself, people. Up. One love.